Yeah. Okay. Game on. 3 and go. Chao Phraya River, the Grand Palace, and what foe will unfold before, like your eyes at canvas of history and culture. As the sun begins to set, the temple's pearly residence will shimmer and glow, casting a magical spell over us. As we explore the temple grounds, I'd like to share with you the stories and legends to bring Wat Arwan to life. You will learn about its significance in Thai culture, intricate architecture, and the beautiful decorations that adorn its walls. We'll take our time soaking up the atmosphere and the savoring moment. Temple's history fascinating. I'd like to share with you the details of its instruction or construction and the